Salam Alaikum. Fajr prayer marks the beginning of the day. We wake up at dawn, sacrifice our sleep, and come to Allah seeking His pleasure and guidance. The early morning prayer sets the right tone and energy for us. However, it's only when we turn our habit of observing Fajr into a spiritual exercise that we begin to see it playing a vital part in blessing our entire day with noor and barakah. Here's how the Fajr prayer benefits our souls in this life and afterward. Number 1. Fajr prayer protects us from hellfire according to the hadith. Whoever performs the prayer before the rising of the sun and the prayer before its setting will not enter hell. Hadith narrated by Muslim. Number 2. It provides all-day protection of Allah. Whoever prays the dawn prayer, then he is under Allah's protection. So beware, O son of Adam, that Allah doesn't call you to account for being absent from His protection for any reason. Hadith narrated by Muslim. Number 3. Angels witness the morning recitations establish prayer at the decline of the sun, from its meridian until the darkness of the night, and also the Quran, that is, recitation of dawn. Indeed, the recitation of dawn is ever witnessed. Al-Isra, 78. Number 4. It is better than any worldly blessing. The 2 sunnah cycles of prayer preceding Fajr Salah are better than this world and all that it contains. Hadith narrated by Tirmidhi. Number 5. Morning prayer leads to paradise. One thing that all will be asked about on the Day of Judgment is the 5 daily salahs. To enter Jannah, one must not skip the Fajr prayer, even if it means sacrificing their sleep and waking up at dawn only for Allah's pleasure. May Allah allow us the opportunity to establish an unbreakable habit of observing the 5 prayers of the day. Ameen.